We are at the Gilcrease Nature Sanctuary here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. And it's really windy today with Tennille and her kids and Matt and the hat. Fish. You know when you say koi? Like koi.
It's koi fish.
That's right, it's koi fish.
You haven't been here before.
No.
Okay, don't charge anything. Okay. Just a donation.
Okay.
All right.
Like giving anything. And I'll tell you where to go.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Got my camera. I'm ready to go.
Camera all ready to go.
I'm ready.
Boy, you are. There's a lot of stuff here. Over 600 animals, guys.
Wow.
Everything is rescued. Didn't buy any, didn't breed any, or nothing. It's all rescued. This guy right here, that round cage, now that's Rocco. We keep him in there because he's easy to get. We go to schools and libraries and things when we take birds to talk to them.
Oh, cool.
And anyway, start there. You don't have to go in any building. And go down this sidewalk, and you can see a few birds right here we have in the aviaries. And when we run out of the aviaries right there, there's a petting zoo. Just start right there and go inside there. You can take the kids in there and go in there with them. Restrooms are behind it there.
Okay.
Not in it, behind it.
Okay.
Anyway, all the cockatoos, you know what they are?
Yeah.
They're all under the trees in the shade. Big roof over there with a lot of them under that roof.
Okay.
Then look, when you're over there, just kind of look over and you see a big white flight aviary over there.
All right.
Now, that's for macaws. That's
Okay.
where he came from.
Oh, all right.
All right, and they just fly around in there, and you're going to walk underneath them.
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
gonna be fun.
And now watch it drop something on you. All right.
That's
now,
worth. It's
now
worth
listen,
it.
When you walk in there, look to the right, and you'll see a toucan. He's on the right-hand side. He can't get with the others. And if you're real gamey, walk all the way to the back. Now there's 5 cockatoo moluccas. You know what they are? They're the white cockatoo.
Oh.
They raise their feathers up their head, up their
Yeah.
wings, and you cross the pond right there. And when you get to the other side, that's to the left. Now you can see all the big animals right there.
Okay, great.
The first thing you start with will be the ostrich, and then the emu,
Oh my
and then
goodness.
the horses, and then the pot-bellied pigs. You will like them, huh? And then the llamas and the burros.
Oh.
Now you know what the llamas do? They spit, so
they
be
do.
careful with the big brown one. Okay, guys,
All
watch
right.
your
Thank you
fingers.
very much.
Thank you. Thank you. This is amazing. Hi, Rocco. Roscoe, hi. A pretty bird. You're a very pretty bird. Pretty bird. Look at all the pretty birds. You're pretty birds too.
Hi, Bowbird. You're nervous, huh? Hi, Bowbird. We had a bird named Bo, and he looked just like that. He was deaf in one ear.
Oh. He's like, tell me how pretty I am.
Because my sister accidentally kicked him in the back of the head.
Oh, that was, I think Lars found a...
He and Matt are buddies. They happen.
What you doing, Gunners? You want to go inside? To the petting zoo? No?
Yeah.
Say, what are they doing in there? Hi. Got lots of chickens and roosters and goats.
I don't want that one. He will get out.
Aww.
He will get out.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Pretty birds, pretty birds. Those are pretty birds. The green one and the that one right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
I wanted to say Canon.
I thought it was that one over there. I could be wrong.
Hello?
Pretty bird. It just said pretty bird.
Someone's talking. Hello.
Talk like a parrot to a parrot.
I don't know.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
No, that's not a parrot.
Look at the baby chickens.
Come on, I got you.
Hello. Oh, maybe it's this one. Or is it you? Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hi. Are you a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? Hi. How are you? Are you having a good day?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Goodbye.
Do you enjoy Las Vegas?
Are you pretty birds?
Say hello.
Hello. Are you camera shy?
Oh, hi.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Fine? Oh, that's good. Hello. Are you a pretty bird?
Hello.
You are a pretty bird. I love your... Can you make it go up again? Can you make your fresh go up again? Make it go up. Hi. Are you thinking? Is it me, or does it look like he's doing this like, I don't know what to make of this. Like, I'm gonna think about this. I don't know. I got your number. I know.
She's thinking. A lot of these guys are stressed out.
Hi. Who's the pretty birds? Are you all the pretty birds?
I want a cracker.
Do you want a cracker? Probably not. Carmen, were you making me scared? Did you scare me? Yeah. Are you a pretty bird? You're a pretty bird, aren't you? Yeah. I see your personality. You are a unique one. I like you. You are a sweetheart. I can tell. Yeah, okay. What about the door?
Where's guy, eh?
Well, he scared me. That was amazing. Of course, I wasn't recording.
They're laughing at you, Corey.
What happened?
They're all laughing at you, Corey.
Everybody laughs at me. Oh. Wow. You guys have some fancy digs in here. Hello. Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
What are you guys?
Don't. Are you guys planning your attack? Maybe.
Hello, baby.
sweet, pretty boy. There's a... Oh.
Wake up, Jose. It's time to start the show.
Stay out of the water, guys.
Hello.
Watch out for the
show. Start the show.
Oh, look at these beautiful lovebirds. The toucans. Better than one toucan is toucans. Or something like that. I don't know. Look at all the pretty birds. Matt got really excited about the toucan. Had to keep a better eye in there because I really did not want to get pooped on. Because that was a real possibility in there, huh, Kira?
Yeah, because they could be above you.
That's right.
And I wore the worst shoes.
Yeah, probably flip-flops were not a good idea.
Well, I
Probably
didn't know
want to
where
wear
we were
some
going.
tennis shoes.
Well, I didn't know where we were going.
Yeah?
They get mad when you leave.
They're like, hey, come back. We like when you tell us that we're pretty birds and have conversations. There's llamas and tortoise and ostriches and emos and a flight aviary. There's just like lots to do.
Sorry.
Huh, Kira? Yes.
Duck. Where's the goose?
The goose. They're geese. There's so many gooses that they're geeses.
That's a goose.
I duck.
That's a goose.
That's a duck. That's a goose.
Yay!
Yes.
Duck, duck, goose. Mom.
Duck, 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 goose. Duck, duck, goose.
Mom, we have the whole game.
All right, Kira. So, what's been your favorite part so far?
I don't know. Maybe saying duck, duck, goose.
Yeah? That's a good one. I like
And the
that.
birds.
The birds? Which
Yeah.
birds specifically?
The ones that talk to you.
Yes, they're more fun, huh?
Yeah.
More interactive.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's some horses.
Let's go look at the horses.
Oh, yeah. I also like the baby chicks.
That's good. I know. You're good though, huh? You're a good horse. And you probably had a good life. If I could pet you, I would. But it says, please do not pet or feed us. Thank you. So I have to obey by the rules. Thank you for letting us come and visit with you. You be a good one, okay? You guys, they even have a pork belly pig? No.
Yeah.
A pot belly pig.
Oh, well, that is technically true.
Yeah, it is technically true. He's back there just trying to... It's hot here in Vegas. It's got a nice breeze today. I mean, you guys probably hear that. But... How did that happen? She apparated. That's how that happened. So... Yeah, no.
On my feet.
So there's goats over there. Alright. And then there's sheep somewhere else. And the llamas are somewhere too. But really, llamas, they like to spit. Not very nice. Do we really want to see llamas? From a distance, right? You know. Kira, we're having issues, huh, with keeping our hats on, right?
Not really. Only
You're
me.
doing fine, but Matt's hat keeps flying off.
Yeah. I know
Because
when the big
it's so
gusts
windy,
are.
right?
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have a feeling when the gusts come.
Yeah, look, it's getting pretty
Windy.
gnarly. It is, you guys, it is so windy right now.
Make your body go with the wind.
Which it feels good. Don't get us wrong, huh, Kira? It's good having that breeze, right? The wind.
Yeah, I just wish it was more constant and...
But it's like major wind breeze. What's great about this place is that all you have to do is make a donation to the sanctuary, and you can come, so you can donate whatever you feel that you want to do, and be able to walk around and see all these beautiful animals that are being rescued and taken care of and given a loving home. So this is something nice and fun to do in Vegas. Look at this ostrich. Is that an ostrich? It's an ostrich, right? Uh-oh. Here comes the queen bee right here. Hi there. How are you? It's nice to meet you. How are you doing?
There's an ostrich farm in Urban.
Uh-huh.
That used to be right next to the parking lot. The place we used to go to breakfast when we used to
Uh-huh.
go down the jet ski.
Yeah.
And they'd always come over the car. There's a ton of them.
They're inquisitive though.
Yeah.
Now this one's coming over.
Here, look at these guys. They're
Hey.
like chocolate chips.
Well, hello.
No, those are
How
more
are
like,
you?
Those are more like teenagers.
There's an emu over there. Hi.
You like your picture taken?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look,
You're trying
it
to
even
match
smiled.
me.
Oh look, it even smiled.
Hi. Hi. Well, that was not very nice. Kira, have we had a good time so far?
Yes.
Yeah. I thought that was kind of funny that the ostrich tried to eat. They tried to eat you. You guys out there. They tried to eat our people, our fans, our friends.
Mom told you, they're
I
not
know.
nice.
No, they are not. That one just wanted to eat you. She was hungry. She wanted to eat you guys. I saved you guys though. Huh?
Apparently cameras look appealing.
Yes, that they do. Look at all the geese. Hi.
Why did you do that?
He was making it easier for you to pet him, you know. That's what he was doing.
Why would you take the rain?
This one wants you to pet him now. It's like, it's my turn, my turn. Alright. Matthew, did you have fun?
Yes.